Marie Antoinette, 1755 to 1793. Courage! I have shown it for years. Think you I shall lose it at the moment when my sufferings are to end? Marie Antoinette, on the way to the guillotine, 1793. From childhood Marie had been told that she would some day be a queen. At the age of 15 she was married to the French Dauphin, or Crown Prince. In only 4 years he became King Louis XVI, and Marie Antoinette, at the age when people today graduate from high school, became the Queen of France. Like many royal marriages of the day, the one between Marie and Louis was based not on love, but on politics. The marriage was arranged to strengthen France's ties to Marie's native Austria. Unhappy in her marriage, Marie sought to comfort in elaborate balls at Versailles, horse races, expensive parties, and lavish theatre productions. In her extravagance, Marie became an important symbol of royal excess and indifference. As such, her influence on the French Revolution was incalculable. Marie's reputation was under attack for much of her reign, although not always justifiably. The quotation most commonly associated with Marie is, "Let them eat cake." This was supposedly her unthinking reply to a courier's remark that the peasants were rioting outside her palace because they had no bread. She never said these words, but the fact that people were willing to believe otherwise says much about the way the public perceived her. Many French citizens viewed Marie as simply frivolous. Others thought she was dangerous, an untrustworthy foreigner who would plot against France. Indeed, Marie tried constantly to influence French foreign policy to benefit her native Austria. When France went to war with Austria in 1792, Marie, who hoped for the defeat of the French revolutionaries, passed information to the enemy.